Hello, and thanks for tuning into My Life After 50, yours truly, Frank Morrison. This is part 2 of the VW Vanagon Syncro rear bench and fold down bed build. At the end of part 1, you got a good look at how this would operate. This video is about the framing underneath the bench. And as I mentioned, I'm using reclaimed wood from pallets that I've broken down, removed all the nails, and I'm using all of the best pieces possible. This has saved me a lot of money on lumber. Well, as you can see in my videos, I don't exactly have a workshop. I make do with what I've got. In fact, this is my camping table I'm using to drill these pieces out. I wanted to point out this is a twin pocket hole jig. You can find this on Amazon, and I will have a link in the description if you think you're in need of one of these tools. They are super handy, and they make everything nice and clean looking, even with my reclaimed wood. Yes, that is the sound of pouring down rain on this tin top. I decided to add these small L brackets for added strength and support on these corners. These are the small anchors or angle brackets I'll be using that I mentioned in part 1. I had large ones, but I thought they were just too big, so these are a bit smaller. They fit just right. I'm using 12-inch black stainless steel piano hinges that I found on Amazon. That was my best option. I looked locally, couldn't find anything. I will have a link in the description for these as well. These fit just right. You may be wondering what type of plywood I'm using. This is grade A birch, 3/8 inch. Some might question the thinness and the sturdiness of the plywood, but I am not concerned at all. Well folks, this project is coming to completion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned a few things and caught some ideas for your project. I'd love your thumbs up and maybe even a subscription. Your comments are always welcome. And until next video, take care.